Kia Sportage QL. Front door module replacement. Removal. 1. Remove the front door trim. 2. Remove the front door outside handle. 3. Disconnect the front door main connector, A. 4. Loosen the front door outside handle base mounting bolt, A. 5. Disconnect the outside rear view mirror connector, A. 6. Loosen the front door latch mounting screws, A, and door lower channel mounting bolts, B. 7. Remove the rear door module, A, after loosening the mounting bolts. 8. Disconnect the wiring, A, and door latch connector, B. 9. Remove the door latch, A. 10. Disconnect the connectors and front door module wiring harness, A. Installation. 11. Install in the reverse order of removal. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.